Hey, welcome back to another beautiful video. This is MagnusD'Terror, and today we have the first PC I ever built. So here we go, guys. For the motherboard, we have obviously the most amazing motherboard, budget motherboard. The motherboard MSI B550M, guys. Budget. Sorry for that. Sorry for the pop. But yeah, I'm excited about this video, guys. It's a budget motherboard, guys, with just the specific that features that I need. My processor is going to be a Ryzen 7 5800X 3D. Yeah, right. It's X3D. Yes, of course it is, guys. Hope we're gonna see it later in the video, guys. So here I'm just unboxing the motherboard itself. The first time I was so excited about this, guys. Never done that before, as I mentioned at the intro of the video. This is the first build ever in my entire life. I love the motherboards, you know, they look like beautiful, like cities. It has a bunch of 3D, USB 3.0, and obviously a couple of 2.0. A lot of connectors, guys. This one comes with an antenna, two antennas for Wi-Fi, internet as well, guys. Yeah. So now, after that, guys, we have the Ryzen processor, the beautiful Ryzen 7 5800X 3D with the big cache, right? 2D big cache for the gaming experience, better gaming experience, of course. And well, this PC book, I'm gonna use it for just working and playing some games sometimes. There's a RGB option for this, but it was more expensive. These ones are the same, just without their RGB lights. Obviously, I'm gonna unbox this beautiful baby. Here we go, guys. The Ryzen. I was so excited with the color, guys. Super tight, to be honest. All these packages are super tight. I was surprised because it has this like plastic protector as well with another plastic protector. It was funny. But yeah, look at this, baby. Let me focus on this. The Ryzen, baby. Yeah, 5800X 3D, guys. So now, after that, I was so scared to fuck up this one, guys, because you know, you had to push in inside this the socket, the processor, and I heard that some people that get destroyed or destroy their processors, but not putting it in the correct position. But yeah, guys, look at this, baby. I'm so glad that the quality of the video looks so good right now, guys. I need a better like lens, but yeah, guys, I lied. But yeah, so we pull the lever as you blow out a little bit of air into it because it was a little bit dusty there. But yeah, so here we go. Oh, I'm gonna use this PC for gaming, as I said before, and also for learning some stuff, guys, like 3D modeling, yeah, maybe driving, digital drawing, and with the power of the GPU, I'm gonna try to make some artificial interiors works, okay? Here we go. Oh, perfect, right? Oof, and it looks so good. I think the next one I'm gonna put inside in the sockets is the RAM. Yeah, the memory RAM. Oh yeah, I unboxed the air cooler first. I went for the Deepcool 620. Yeah, 620. It's AK620. Yes, of course, baby. It's one of the silents, I guess. I watch a lot of reviews about these ones and Cold Master, but this one was cheaper. It was on a budget as well, and it was with a discount on Amazon. I don't remember, but it was good. Also, I love it. It's full black, pure black. It's a web version of their, guys, but yeah, and it's silent. I love it. Look at this, the Deepcool logo. It was a difficult task to actually manage the cables of this baby, guys. But yeah, sticker. Okay, here we go. So I heard some people have trouble with the PC sometimes because they forget to take out the sticker, that warranty sticker. But yeah, guys, here we go. I'm just taking out the middle and outside fan. I think these ones are 120 millimeters fans. Look at this. This is the sticker I was talking about before, guys. Oh yeah, installation removed before. So I heard in the internet as well and some Reddit posts that people forget to actually take off this sticker. The thermal paste I'm using I use the stock thermal paste that comes with the air cooler. I went for the pearl and X pearl with some dot, guys. Don't blame me. I mean, don't don't judge me. Don't judge me. This is the first time I do this, guys. Looks so good. Look at this pearl. But yeah, guys, some programs I want to use obviously is Adobe Suite and Blender. I'm going to use Blender for 3D, and obviously I'm going to use Photoshop and some other softwares for the digital drawing, and some beautiful thumbnails I'm gonna make for these videos, of course, guys. So with this new equipment, guys, as well, I'm gonna try to make more videos, guys. I have another channel, guys. I'm gonna try to do some ASMR videos. I'm gonna post the link down below in the description, but yeah, later, guys. So you like that type of content? I'm just experimenting, guys. Yes, this was the most difficult part of that. Also with the cable management, guys. Just get inside these beautiful babies, dance, and managing the little cables. It was a, you know, pain in the ass. But here we go. They look good. They're so beautiful. To be honest, the first time I see the fan, I mean the air cooler, I was like, oh my god, this thing is massive. And I went for mid tower case, and and I was like, oh my god, it's gonna fail or not. It was the same like insecurity or maybe the doubt, because the video card I choose, MSI GTX, I mean RTX 3060, is quite long. But yeah, look at this baby. It looks like a monster, guys. Yeah. One thing that I didn't mention, I had to flash an update of the BIOS firmware, because the stock BIOS doesn't allow you to actually install this CPU, so you have to actually update it. I forgot to record that, sorry guys. Now, going for the SSD. I went for a cheap SSD from Team Group brand. It's 1 terabyte. I'm using the PCI 3.0 slot, because in the 4.0 slot I'm gonna put another the SSD, maybe 2 terabytes Kingston or another brand. I think Samsung Evo is really good as well. I don't know if it's Evo or Evo, guys, so sorry for that. Look at this baby, super fast. I was about to say fácil in Espanol, which is easy. But it was an installation. Look at this. I went for a case, Deepcool CC360 mid tower. Oh, I had to take super careful of this, because this little piece of I was thinking it was a metal, but no, it's not, like aluminium. It was so, I don't know, flexible, and I didn't want to actually break it. I'm installing the motherboard. It was super easy, to be honest, to install it. I don't have a long screwdriver, so I have to use one of the smallest ones I got. And the cable management, guys. Oh yeah, the PSU, the power supply, guys. Sorry for that. Is a Pylon XPG. It was a cheaper version. I checked the tier list of the best supplied power supply. Sorry, to not get a wrong one. This one is 750 watts. Okay, I think this version is not available in America. I checked some links of the Amazon America store, and I didn't find it. I found a 650 watts, but this one is 750, and it was in the tier B, I think. Yes, of these ones is a bronze, I think 80 bronze certified. It's pretty good. I think you're gonna ask, no, or maybe no. Have the dot wide 750 watts, because I'm going to actually connect this microphone and other stuff like lights and a bunch of the HDDs, because I have an external HDDs here with me with a lot of information I use, and obviously this is the most difficult part. Oh yeah, the video card, guys. The MSI is 3X Ventus, RTX 360 12 gigabytes because I make a research, guys, and I found that the 12 gigabytes version of this RTX, not the RTS 360 Ti, which comes with the 8 gigabytes. It's better for big Blender scenes with a lot of objects that is going to actually render. So I went for this one. It's very big and I love it. It feels so good to actually take out of the plastic, protect plastic. It was so good, guys. I never like experienced this film trick before, guys. But yeah, look at that, beautiful, eh? I love it. And this is the final product, guys. Sorry for the sticker over there, but yeah, look at this little guy trying to hold the big, big video card. Everything is working good. I forget to mention to actually Bob, sorry, a pair of the 120 millimeters fans by the brand Be Quiet. Is the light wings? Is no 120, guys. Sorry, it's a 140 millimeters, guys. RGB is the ones that are in the top of the case. Look at them. All right, looking good, right? I love red, and it's smooth as guys. Beautiful, beautiful. I've been tasting a lot of stuff. I just get all my information from my laptop. I have a laptop before, guys, with a dedicated video card, but it was an old one, like 960 GTX M. Yeah, 960M GTX. It was a pain in the ass to actually work with 3D in that with that video card, guys. But yeah, this is a great upgrade. The laptop is working flawlessly, even though I have it for 7 years, more than that. I don't remember. Yeah, it was about time, guys. I love my build, full black, pure black, guys, as we can call it. Looking pretty good in the video, of course, guys. Any suggestions about this, guys? This is my first build, of course, and I want to make little ones with budget ones for the channel, guys. But I need to save the money, of course, guys. But yeah, mini PC, as you already know. And obviously, I have a monitor here. You see the report in other videos in my channel. It's a LG, an old LG ultra wide, 21.9. I don't know the exact model, but it's an old model for I think 10 years. But yeah, guys, that was everything for this build. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is MagnusD'Terror. If you like it, guys, leave a like, subscribe, and obviously leave a comment, guys. I'm coming back with new videos soon. My experience with my iPhone, of course, and other stuff that I already bought. Right. Bye, guys.